Welcome back. This is the last section of the Airport Operations Learning module. In this section, we'll be talking about birds and wildlife and what do you do when you encounter a flock of birds, and if there's any evidence of an accident, what do you need to do, and when to report an accident. Flocks of birds typically fly at lower altitudes, so practice see and avoid. If you see a flock of birds heading in your direction, climb or gain altitude as quickly as you can. All accidents regarding wildlife, even domestic animals, need to be reported. A report can be filed by any person, not just an SUAS crew member, but any person. And a report is required to be filled when any of the following has occurred. A strike between wildlife and an aircraft has been witnessed. If there's evidence or damage from a strike that has been identified on an aircraft. A bird or other wildlife remains, whether it's in whole or part, are found near aircraft operations.